We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp views to enhance your project management experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar where you'll see different sections like Spaces and Projects. Click on the space or project you want to work with. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll notice different view options like List, Board, Calendar, and Gantt. Each view offers a unique way to look at your tasks. For instance, if you select the List view, you'll see your tasks organized in a straightforward list format, perfect for detailed task management. If you switch to the Board view, you'll have a more visual, Kanban-style layout, ideal for tracking tasks through different stages. The Calendar view is excellent for scheduling, letting you see your tasks and deadlines in a calendar format. To change views, simply click on the view name at the top. You can customize each view as needed. For example, in List view, you can filter and sort tasks using the options at the top of the list. In Board view, you can drag and drop tasks to move them between columns. If you're planning something over time, the Gantt view is incredibly useful for timeline visualization, allowing you to adjust task timelines directly in the chart. Remember, you can also create custom views by clicking the plus sign next to the View tabs, giving you flexibility in how you manage your projects. You can rename, duplicate, or delete views by clicking on the three-dot menu next to the view name. This customization helps tailor ClickUp to fit your workflow perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.